Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to unboxing a KTM 450 Rally Dakar Rally. It's a product of Burago company, and overall packaging you can see. Yeah, I'm from Bangladesh. It's a very unique design. I hope one day I can ride it in reality. Wow, it's amazing. You see? Oh. It's a Red Bull edition. Very nice bike. I don't know why it doesn't want to stand alone, but it should be. Maybe there is a problem compared with it. I don't understand. Yeah, last chance alone. Now you can see clearly the Red Bull edition of KTM Rally Dakar. Very nice. You can see the lights here. That's all today. Hope to see you all in the next video of mine. Ta-ta.